Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be doing the Antutu benchmark test in the Realme X7 Pro device. And if you're wondering why I'm doing the second time Antutu benchmark test, in this video I'll be using the different kind of settings here. So one thing is that I'll be doing the Antutu benchmark test once the battery dropped below 10%. So when the battery is off 10%, exactly at the time I'll try to do the Antutu benchmark test. And in this time I'll not try to use any kind of performance mode or anything, so nothing will be enabled, so there is no performance improvement I'll try to choose. So let's see friends, what will be the Antutu benchmark score results will be there. So in this case, if you're trying to use, so if you want me to do, I'll try to do even with the high performance mode later on in another video, but in this video let's stick to this kind of settings. I just want to see if there is no performance improvement, and when the battery is 10% in the Realme X7 Pro, what will be the Antutu benchmark test in this phone. So this will explain how much powerful the Dimensity 1000 Plus processor is in this phone. So let me quickly show you the processor as well. As you can see, the Dimensity 1000 Plus processor, you can see it clearly. So let's see friends, how much the benchmark score we can get in this phone. And in case if you want to download this kind of good looking punch hole Spider-Man kind of wallpaper, so make sure to check the links in description. You can find so many amazing videos on the wallpapers, so all the links will be available in the description below regarding the smartphones as well. So very soon I'll be reaching the 100 videos on the Realme X7 Pro, so make sure to check the playlist for more in-depth videos on this Realme X7 Pro device, so which will be really interesting for you, even for the wallpapers as well. So try to check the links. So right now the battery is of 11%. I'm just waiting for the battery to be down to 10% so that I can start the Antutu benchmark test. So this is the Antutu benchmark score for the phone when we are using the high performance mode, and when the battery is kind of slightly higher, close to 50 or 60 percentage at the time of testing. So let's see when the battery is 10% and what will be the Antutu benchmark score test. And this is the first time I'm doing in any smartphone in my channel, so maybe if this is working, I'll try to do this kind of process in each and every smartphone which I'm reviewing in the future, or maybe in the past as well. I'll try to do this kind of test. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned friends for more updates similarly and unique kind of testings in my channel, in the Sai Tech Guru channel. As you can see friends, right now the battery is dropped to the 10% exactly, and let's start doing this Antutu benchmark test when the battery is 10%. So let's see friends, how much score we can actually expect in this phone when the battery is 10%. And let me even quickly grab my thermometer, and let's me test the temperature reading before starting the test. You can see 31 degrees. So 31 degrees is the average, and let me quickly start the temperature test right now. And brightness I'm selecting up to maybe 80%. I'll try to select, so 80% brightness. And once the results are back again, I'll be showing you the results. We can compare the results before and after. So before I got 5,20,000, and now let's see how much score we can expect from here. So as you can see here friends, the Antutu benchmark results are back, and the battery decreased by 5% as you can see, and 7 degrees there is an increase in the temperature starting from 31 degrees, I think 30 degrees to 31 degrees. You can see 37 degrees it increased, and these are scored below 10% of doing the Antutu benchmark test in the Realme X7 Pro 5G variant. And I did see there's a decrease of I think 30,000 maybe to the 50,000 difference is there, 50 to 60,000 difference is there when you're doing it high battery percentage to the low battery percentage. So this is quickly the change is happening below if you do the 10%. And thank you for watching this video friends, and more videos make sure to follow me regularly, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.